Good morning, everybody. Happy Wednesday. We are halfway through the week. Hopefully your week has been going okay so far. I am hoping that you are adapting and figuring out your new routine. I hope you're being helpful at the house and helping your family and being kind to everyone and being your best self. Today's video will have math and language, just like all of our videos so far. You can go ahead and print the worksheets that go along with this video. You can find them on Edmodo in the comments on the link that I posted, just like always. So if you print them, then you can follow along. But if you do not print them, that's okay. You can follow along and answer the questions with me in the video anyways, okay? You do not have to have them printed. But if you do print them and you do the work with me, I would love to see a photo of your work, okay? Feel free to send me photos on Edmodo of what you're working on and how you're doing. Always let me know if you have any questions or concerns that I can help with, because that is what I am here for. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and start with our date. Okay, so it is still April, but April is flying by, as I said before. So it is April. Can you say April? Wonderful. Today is Wednesday. Good. And we need to figure out what number it is, okay? Let's start counting from 10 this time. Ready? We're gonna figure out what number this is, and we're gonna start at 10. Ready? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Yes, 21. So let's go ahead and put this really cute purple umbrella in our square that says 21. Can you say 21? Good. When we're talking about the date, we say the 21st. Can you say that? 21st. Very good. So let's repeat the date, okay? Today is Wednesday, April 21st, 2021. Very good. You guys are getting so good at the date. It amazes me. You guys are so wonderful. All right, so we have 2 math worksheets again today. Like I said before, you can get these printed right off of Edmodo. I have the PDF linked underneath the video. Or you can just help me by watching the video and telling me the answers, okay? I'm gonna help you do part of this, and then I want you to finish the worksheet on your own, okay? So this one, we need to do the equations and figure out the answer. And then once we have the answer, we need to figure out what color we have to make that pencil crayon, okay? So let's do the first few together so we can get the hang of it. All right, the first one is 2 plus 2. Who knows what 2 plus 2 might be? If you would like, you can use your counters. Okay, you can get out your counters if that will help. You can use a number line, like on the bottom of here. This is what we're gonna use right here. There's a number line on the bottom, okay? You can use your fingers, you can use other counters if you want, or if you know how to do the answers in your head, that is okay too. All right, today we're gonna use the number line down here though, all right? So I see 2 plus 2, so we are gonna go over top of 2, right here, and we have to add 2 more. So we're gonna move up 2 spaces. Ready? 1, 2. And what number did we land on? Can you see that number? That's the number 4. Very good. So let's put a 4 on this pencil. It equals 4. We're missing equal signs, but that's okay. So 2 plus 2 equals 4. Now, if we look up here on this little clipboard in the corner, I see the number 4, and 4 equals blue. So we are going to color in this pencil crayon blue, okay? Just like that. So to do this worksheet, you are going to need a pencil. You're going to need pencil crayons or markers in the colors blue, yellow, green, and red, okay? So let's keep going. You can always do all the math with me, and then you can get your colors and color them after, or you can pause the video to get all your materials and then come back to it, okay? Let's go ahead and do the next one. I see 5 plus 1. So 5 is our first number. We're gonna go down on the number line and find 5. There it is. And we need to add 1. So let's move up 1 space on the number line. Ready? Up. And the answer is, do you see what my mouse is sitting on? The number 6. Excellent. So we're gonna take a 6 and put it on this crayon. 5 plus 1 equals 6. And on my clipboard, 6 says green. So let's color in this crayon green. Excellent. Are we ready for another one? This one says 4 plus 2. So we need to land on the first number, which is 4. So find 4 on the number line. There it is. And we are adding 2. So we start on 4 and we add 2. So let's move up 2 spaces. Ready? 1, 2. And what number did we land on? Yeah, we landed on 6 again. So we need another 6 on this crayon. And who remembers what color 6 needs to be? We just did one of these. Green, excellent. We are going to also color this crayon green. Perfect. All right, ready for another one? If I'm going too fast, you can pause the video and you can catch up and then play the video when you're ready, okay? The next one says 2 plus 3, okay? So what number are we going to sit on? 2, excellent. So let's find 2 on the number line. Here it is. And we're going to add 3, which means we need to move over 3 spaces. Ready? 1, 2, 3. And here's the answer. What number is this? 5. Amazing. 2 plus 3 is 5. So let's put a 5 on there. You can write in the answer, okay? Make sure you're writing those numbers nice and neat and they're going the right way. And now we need to look on our clipboard. I see the number 5 right here and it says 5 equals yellow. So we are going to color in this crayon yellow. Excellent. Okay, ready? We have this one and this one says 6 plus 0. So we need to sit on the first number, which is 6. So let's find it on our number line. Here's 6. And it says plus 0. So if it says plus 0, that means we are not moving at all. We are not adding anything to this number. So we stay in the same place. What does that mean the answer is? What spot am I sitting on? 6. Very good. So 6 plus 0 is 6. Because we are not adding anything to that number, okay? So what color do we need to make this crayon if the answer is 6? 6 equals green. Excellent. So far we have a lot of green. We have only 1 blue and 1 yellow, and we don't have any red yet. Let's see if we can find one that will be red. Okay, this one says 3 plus 4. So we're going to use our number line and we are going to sit on the first number, which is 3. So let's find 3. There it is. And it wants us to add 4. Okay? So that means we have to move up our number line 4 spaces. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. What's our answer? What number is this? It's 7. Incredible. So we are going to put 7 on this crayon. 3 plus 4 is 7. And up here, 7 says it equals red. We finally get to use red. Let's color in that crayon red. So good, you guys. You're doing amazing. Let's do the next one. This one says 3 plus 1. So what number do we need to start on with our number line? 3. Here's 3. And we are going to add 1. Excellent. So let's move up 1 space. And we have the number 4. So good. So we need to find our number 4 right here. Place it on our crayon because 3 plus 1 equals 4. And 4 will be blue. Perfect. Amazing. All right, let's do one more together and then you can finish them on your own, okay? Because I know you can do it. So it says 4 plus 1, okay? So we're going to start on number 4 on our number line and add 1. So we're going to go up 1 space. Ready? 1. And the answer is 5. Very good. So let's go ahead and put a 5 on our crayon and figure out what color it needs to be. 5 equals yellow. So let's color this crayon yellow. Amazing. So now I want you to do these ones on your own, okay? Come up with the answer and figure out what color it needs to be to color it in, okay? Use that number line or use your counters, whatever is easiest for you, and you can ask for help from your family if you need it, all right? You're doing amazing. When you're finished, you can continue on with the video and we'll do worksheet number 2, okay? You're doing such a good job. All right, let's go ahead and start on our second math worksheet. This is also one that is in the PDF you can print off from Edmodo, or you can just follow along. All right, so you did so good on the last one. Let's go ahead and do some addition this way, okay? So what we're going to do is we have a question here, and we're going to use these dots to put them in the 10 frame and figure out what we need to write, okay? What the equation is and what the answer will be. All right, so the first one, we can do these together. You'll figure it out as we go. I know it's a lot, but we can do it together, okay? So the first one says 2 plus 2. So how many purple dots do you think we need? What number am I circling here? 2, excellent. So we're going to take 2 dots, 1, 2, and place them here, okay? And then we're going to write 2 on our first little line right here. All right, there are 2 purple dots, so we need to write 2 and fill in 2 spaces, okay? And our next number is also 2. So we're now going to use the blue dots and add 2 more. 1, 2. We're going to add another number 2 because it's 2 plus 2. And now we're going to add those dots together, okay? So let's see what it equals. 1, 2, 3, 4. Amazing, so now we're going to take a 4 and put it on the line because 2 plus 2 equals 4, okay? I know it's a lot, but we can do this together, okay? Let's try the next one together. This one says 3. So how many purple dots do we need? 3, very good. Let's put 3 in here. 1, 2, 3, excellent, plus 2. So how many blue dots do we need? 2, amazing. 1, 2. And now we need to add them all together, okay? We also need to write on the lines, which I forgot. So we're gonna do 3 for the purple dots, 2 for the blue dots, and now we need to see what it equals. Count with me, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Excellent. So we need to put a 5 on this line right here. Perfect, okay? Now at home, you don't need to use 2 different colors if you don't want to. You can just use your pencil to do the dots in the 10 frame. I'm just using 2 colors so you can see what it looks like and what we're doing, okay? But you can just use your pencil, it's okay. Let's do the next one. I see the number 4. How many purple dots are we gonna need to use? 4, excellent, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. And let's put a 4 on our line because we have 4 purple dots. And the next number is number 3. So how many blue dots do we need? 3, yes. Ready? 1, 2, 3. And we need to put a 3 on this line to make our math equation. So now we have 4 plus 3 equals, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Excellent. Let's go ahead and put a 7 on the line here to complete our equation. 4 plus 3 equals 7. Excellent. Okay, here's this one. We start off with this number. What number is this one right here? 1, very good. So we need 1 purple dot, just like that. And how many blue dots do we need? 6, very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Oh, that one went out of the square. There we go. So we have 1 and we have 6. Don't forget to write those numbers on the line. 1 and 6. All right, so now we need to count all the dots together to see what it equals. 1 plus 6, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Very good. So we need to go ahead and put a 7 on the final line. Excellent work. These next ones are getting bigger. Are you ready? All right, we have 7 plus 3. So we need how many purple dots? 7. Excellent. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Perfect. And then we don't want to forget to put a 7 on the line. And now we need to figure out how many blue dots we need. What number is this one right here? 3. Very good. So we need 3 blue dots. 1, 2, 3. Wonderful. And what do we put on the line below? The number 3. There we go. So now we need to count all those dots to see what 7 plus 3 equals. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 7 plus 3 equals 10. Great job. All right, let's do one more together, and then I want you to do the bottom 2 at home with your family, okay? And see if you can figure it out. If you can't get it, that's okay. Do not worry. I just want you to try, okay? So let's do this one together. I see 5 plus 5. So how many purple dots do we need? 5. Yes, let's go ahead and do 5 purple dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is hard for me to get these dots perfectly in those squares. My goodness. And then we're going to put a 5 on the line below. All right, and how many blue dots do we need? Also 5, yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. And we need another 5 on the line. So let's see what 5 plus 5 equals. Are you ready to help me count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 again. 5 plus 5 equals 10. Very good. All right, so now I want you to try doing 2 plus 5 and 4 plus 5 on your own. Okay, do your best. It's okay if it's difficult. It's okay if it's hard. Just do your best. Don't worry too much and just see if you can do it, okay? You can always ask for help if you need to. All right? Oops, too far. All right, now we're going to do language. We have 2 new sight words to learn. We have the word to and we have the word like. Here we go. Let's do the first one. You're going to need your pencil, scissors, and glue, and a color if you would like, okay? So you're going to put your name on the top. Go ahead and write your name as nice as you can. And then I want you to use your pencil and trace the word, okay? This word is two. Say it, two. Good, 2. Excellent. So you trace those 2 right there, and then you're going to spell it. T-O. I want you to write those letters on your own. T-O. Very good. Say 2. Awesome. And then after you write the word 2, I want you to color the word 2. 2. Very good. 2, and 2. You can color those in or you can use your pencil and trace them as well, okay? And now you're going to need your scissors and your glue, and you are going to cut out the letters T and O and glue them right in here to spell the word two. So we're going to need a T and we're going to need an O. Two. Good. Two. I miss going to school. Good. Two. So that is the word two. T-O. Two. So now when you see that one on or in your storybooks, maybe you can find it and spot it. Or in your sight words that I sent home, maybe it's in there. You'll have to take a look. Let's do the next one. Okay? Don't forget, we start with our name. This is the longest one we've done so far. It has 4 letters. Let's sound it out. Ready? Like. Like. Let's do it faster. Like. 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 Yeah, you got it. Like. Can you say it? Like. Good. You can use your finger to follow along. Like. Perfect. So I want you to go ahead and trace the word like. L-I-K-E. Like. And then do it again over here. L-I-K-E. Like. I like you. Perfect. And then you're going to write it in these boxes. Each box needs a letter. L, I, K, E, like. Awesome. And then you're going to color like 3 different times. Okay, like. I like when you try your best. I like when you work hard. Awesome. And then when you're done coloring the like 3 times, you can get your scissors and your glue and cut out the letters L-I-K-E, and we're going to glue them in order, okay? So first you need to find the L and glue it in. And then you need to find the I and glue it in. And then you need the K to glue in. And then at the very end, you need the E. Like. Perfect. You guys are so amazing. All right, when you are all done, I would love for you to dig out your whiteboard and your marker. And I would love for you to practice writing the words like and to. Okay? Try your best. To and like. Try your best. You can practice writing your name. You can practice writing people in your family's names. You can practice uppercase and lowercase letters. Okay, do your best. You can also get out your sight words that I sent home and practice copying those onto the whiteboard. Okay? Have some fun with it. All right, and that's all we have for today's video. You guys are so amazing. You did such a great job. Thank you for following along and learning with me and helping me find all the answers. You guys are rock stars, and I can't wait to see you again tomorrow morning for another video, okay? Have a wonderful day, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye, everybody.